Judy Ann Santos is back to acting as part of the upcoming Kapamilya series, The Bagman. On her social media account, the actress shared a video of her first shooting day, portraying the role of Isabel, the Philippine president in the series. "I'm back to acting. After Starla, ito na ulit. I am back with ABS-CBN," the actress said in her video. In the post, Judy Ann shared some moments of her first day, including her first time portraying her role as the country's highest government official. Judy Ann's last television series was the 2019 fantasy drama series, Starla, where she portrayed the role of Attorney Teresa Dick Aves Manalo. Ganito pala pakiramdam ng presidente. May tagapayong, may mga naka-shades na bodyguard. Ay bakit sila naka-shades? Ako hindi, the actress joked around at their filming location in San Jose del Monte in Bulacan. The actress is part of the spin-off of the original digital series, Bagman, starring actor-turned-politician Arjo Ataide, who will be reprising his role as Benjo Malaya. The action-drama series will also star 78th Venice International Film Festival Best Actor, John Arcilla, playing, for the first time, a Philippine president. Judy Ann also shared in an interview how she felt pressured being picked as the actress who would give life to the character. "Of course, may pressure para sabihin nila na ako lang nakita nilang gaganap bilang President of the Philippines," Judy Ann said.